In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to remove a user from a channel in Slack. Whether you need to sanitize your workspace or adjust team members in a project, it's a pretty essential skill to know. Let's walk through the process step by step so you can confidently manage your channel members. Start by opening your Slack workspace. You can do this by heading over to slack.com and logging in. If you have multiple workspaces, make sure you choose the right one where you want to remove the user. Once you've landed within the workspace, locate and click on your company's name. This action will open a drop-down menu, which provides you with various administration options. Next, within that drop-down, you should see an option labeled Tools and Settings. Click on it to proceed. This is where you'll manage different aspects related to your team and workspace setup. Once you're in the Tools and Settings area, you'll want to look for and click on Manage Members. This section is your go-to for all member-related actions, including adding or removing team members from channels. Within the Manage Members section, browse through the list of users and find the member you intend to remove. Once you spot the right person, you'll notice 3 dots appearing next to their name. Clicking on these dots will open up a menu with additional actions you can take. One of these options is Deactivate Account. Clicking on this will effectively disable the user's access to the workspace, but don't worry, we're not done yet. You'll see a confirmation pop-up appear asking you to confirm deactivation. Simply click Deactivate to proceed with this action. Now that the account is deactivated, we'll need to remove the associated profile entirely. Go back to the member list, find the deactivated member's account. Again, click on the 3 dots next to their name. This time select Delete Profile from the options. Be cautious here. Slack will prompt you with a confirmation stating that this action can't be undone. It's crucial that you understand the permanence of this step. So when prompted, click on I understand that this action can't be undone. Finally, confirm the deletion by clicking on Delete Profile. By completing this step, you've successfully removed the user from your Slack channel and your workspace entirely. The channel will update, reflecting this change, ensuring continued clarity and streamlined communication for your team. So there you have it, a straightforward method to manage your Slack channel members effectively. Keeping your workspace organized and ensuring that the right people have access makes for better collaboration and productivity. If you have any questions or need further clarification, feel free to leave a comment below. Thanks for watching and see you next time.